Hi everyone, I'm Lori from Lori's Country Cottage. I'm going to do the second half of this pillow. We are going to do the back of it this week, and we are going to put a zipper in here, all nicely concealed under an accent strip. Stay tuned. So let's get started. Cut your pillow back to 16.5 inches square, and then decide where you want the split to be horizontally, I suppose, or vertically, wherever you would like the split for the zipper and the accent to be. I have mine a little higher than half. I'm not sure if it would be a third, but pretty close to that, above the halfway mark. You will need to cut a 2.5 by 16.5 inch accent strip and 2 tabs 1 by 3. So 2 tabs 1 inches by 3 inches. Fold the accent strip in half lengthwise and press. Add a tab to the ends of the zipper, one at each end, just in, so that your seam allowance misses the metal stops at either end of the zipper. So you want the outer edge of the tab to be 1/4 inch from the metal stops at each end. There's small metal stops at the open end and a larger one at the bottom end. I used the clover clips. I clipped it in place, especially when you get to the top of the zipper, because you want to undo the zipper a little bit. So pull the tab down, but you want your edges of the zipper to still be closed. And so if you use the clover clips, or you can pin it in place, and then you want to stitch both ends of the zipper at the far end, I guess you can say, of the zipper tab. You want to stitch through a couple of times to secure it. Then you want to trim off the excess zipper at about 1/4 inch past your stitching lines. Then you want to pin the zipper with the right sides down, with the tabs on it, to the top of the pillow back section. Be sure that with our kit or your fabric, be sure that if it is directional, you're putting it on the right end of your pillow back. The tabs will likely extend beyond the edge of the pillow back, so place it where you want or center it and pin it on. Then you want to stitch with 1/4 inch seam allowance. Once done, you want to press away from the zipper towards the pillow back, and then top stitch as close as you feel comfortable on the edge. Next, you want to put the top of the pillow back on. So align the raw edges of the accent strip with the other edge of the zipper. Again, right sides together. So you're going to have the raw edge, the top of the zipper, and then the bottom edge of your top pillow section. So layer all 3 layers together. So it'll be your zipper, the accent strip, and then the bottom edge of the top section of your pillow. Remember the direction of the print. I know this by experience. Once that's pinned, you want to undo the zipper about 1/3 of the way, and that will allow you to stitch without hitting the zipper tab with your presser foot. So then you want to stitch about 1/4 of the way with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Stitch about 1/4 of the way, and then you want to close the zipper up. So with your needle down, presser foot up, slide the zipper tab to close the zipper completely so that you can continue stitching the rest of the length. Again, you want to press away from the zipper and top stitch as close as you feel comfortable. At this point now you can trim the tabs off even with your top and bottom sections. And then you want to layer your pillow top right side up and your pillow back wrong side up, so you've got right sides together. Match the corners. And then in your pattern there is a template for a corner cut. You may want to trace that out on template plastic and keep it for the next time you make a pillow. What you want to do is use that template, put the straight edges, align them with the straight edges from your first corner. So line up so that the straight edges match, and then you can mark the curve to the corner along the side of the template. Repeat that with all 4 corners. Then you want to trim through all the layers, and now you're ready to finish. So you want to open your zipper, and then you want to stitch around using a 1/4 inch seam allowance all the way around. At this point, once you've got that done, you could finish the seam if you wanted with a zigzag, or if you wanted to serge it. I didn't, because I likely won't wash this often if I wash it. And when I wash it, I'm going to have the zipper done up, and so the raw edges are all on the inside of the pillow. So they won't get quite as much movement from the agitator or from the movement in your washing machine. So the raveling will be to a minimum. I suppose you could pink the edges as well, and that would protect it from raveling. Turn your pillow form or pillow cover out through the zipper opening that you left open. And then I like to just take the tip, you want to press the corners out, take the tip of my iron and just press the seams open or to one side, but press them so that they're flat, and then open your pillow up completely flat and press the edges. Stuff your pillow inside, zip it up, and enjoy. Well, everyone, I thank you for watching as we did the second half of this pillow. We enclosed the zipper under a beautiful accent strip. I hope I've inspired you to try that. Another inspiration I'd like to share with you was a previous how-to, and we did a reading pillow. The reading pillow has a nice pocket in the front for your book, and the back of it Lisa did with an overlap. Wouldn't this be nice with an accent strip, and you could enclose your zipper in there to completely enclose your pillow. Another inspiration, I'll put a link in the under the post, and you can take a look at that too. So thank you all for watching. I'm Lori from Lori's Country Cottage.